Have you been putting off writing your book because you think it needs to be a 200-page book? Well, maybe you've told yourself, no one will take me serious if my book is too short. If that's you, I want you to listen up to this video because today I'm going to break down why short books actually sell better than traditional long books and how you can create a powerful, high value book in less time than you think. I know I love participation, so go ahead and drop a yes in the comments if you ever thought about that your book needs to be long in order for it to be valuable. I've been there too, but I want you to really stick around to the end because I'm going to give you my free MiniHER Book starter kit to help you plan, outline, and start your book today. Let's talk about why people think they need to write a long book. They believe long books equal credibility. The truth is, they think, well, people will only respect me if I write a thick, in depth book. They also think that short books aren't real books. Can I really charge something for under 100 pages? Or I've heard, I don't want it to look like a pamphlet. They also believe that readers expect traditional books. They believe that people won't buy books that are too short. But here's the truth. Readers today want quick, actionable, easy to digest content. They don't care about how many pages that's in your book. What they care about is the value. I have personally read 100 plus page books that were nothing but fluff, but I've also read short books that were either 50 pages or less that gave immense value, that truly solved my problem, and also gave some amazing content as well. So listen, in the day and age that we are living in now, short books is where it's at, and I believe short books is what you need to be focused on instead of waiting years and years and years trying to write a 300-page book. Talk about the 3 reasons why short books sell better. Number 1, readers want quick solutions, not fluff. People are busy. We don't have that time to read a 300-page book that gets the answers that we need. The faster you solve their problem, the more valuable the book is. For example, I want you to think about it. When was the last time you finished a 300-page book? Don't worry, I'll wait. Now, when was the last time you Googled something and you wanted a quick answer? That's why short books really do work. I want you to focus on one clear problem with your MiniHER book and one solution. Your book can really help, or they should help the reader get a quick win. 2, short books are easier and faster to write, and I can contest to this. You can write a MiniHER book in 30 days or less instead of taking years to finish. Short books equal less stress, less overwhelm, and more momentum. I've worked with so many women who started writing a long book but never finished. But when they switch to a short book strategy, boom, their book is done in weeks. Plus, it makes it so much easier to turn that longer book into a short book series. I want you to keep your book between 30 to 50 pages. It's enough to deliver the impact without overwhelming or even overwhelming yourself or your readers. So let me go ahead and give you some action steps on how you can create a valuable MiniHER book in 30 days or less. So follow this MiniHER book formula. Number 1, you want to have the introduction, you have the hook for your readers, and set up the problem. In chapter 1, you want to include the mistake, the problem that the reader is actually struggling with. In chapter 2, this is where you put your personal journey and your experience. Chapter 3, your proven framework, your strategy. Chapter number 4, give action steps to the reader to take immediately. And the conclusion, have encouragement and give next steps, like a course, a digital product. You need them to have the next step to go move forward. For your MiniHER book, you want it to be a fast, easy to follow book that delivers actual results, no fluff. All right. So if today's video helped you and you see how powerful short books can be, let's get you started. Go ahead and grab my free MiniHER book starter kit. That includes a simple outline template. I got worksheets. I even created a GPT to help you to get started faster. Okay. So go ahead and drop starter in the comments or click the link in my description to grab your free starter kit today. All right, so let's do a recap. We talked about short books sell better because people want fast solution. Remember, you can write and publish a MiniHER book in 30 days or less. Short books make more money because they lead to a bigger offer, okay? And you don't need a lot of fluff. You don't need fluff at all, not even none at all. You just need value. But here's my question for you. What's your biggest struggle with writing your book? Drop it in the comments. All right. I appreciate you so much for watching this YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe for more MiniHER book writing and publishing secrets. Also, watch the full Fast Track MiniHER book series. I put the playlist down below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Even seeing your wins around MiniHER books. I'm really, really thankful that you guys are emailing me and telling me how much my videos are helping you. This really, really makes my day, and I really, really want to see you win. Okay, so until the next time, I'm your girl, Sharlrita Deloatch, your profitable business, your profitable publishing bestie, business too, because I help you with that too. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.